Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation on your JVC Smart TV. First of all, before performing a factory reset operation on your TV, be aware that this operation will remove all of your accounts info, all of your settings, all of your media files that you have stored on your TV, as well as applications, etc. So be aware to back up your the data that you don't want to be lost, for example, on your USB flash drive. And after that, to perform this operation, you're going to have to navigate to the gear icon on the right side of your TV, select Device and Software, then scroll down to the last option, which is Reset to Factory Defaults. Click right here, then select Reset, and then wait until this operation is completed. After the restart, you will first see your TV's logo once again, or Fire TV's logo once again, and then you will see the location or region choosing screen. At this point, your device is fully reset. Now, if you want to set it up again and if you need some guidance on your way, we have a separate video on our channel that will teach you on how to do that properly. So if you need our setup guide, go ahead and check it out. So you're highly welcome to do so. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.